Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light from another universe.
Hey y'all, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make something that seems to be becoming one of my favorite meats. It's cube steak. My grandma called it minute steak, but I really think the name for it is supposed to be cube steak. But the last time I made it in my Instant Pot gym over here. This time I'm going to make it in my Instant Pot. And the first thing that I've done is I've got the meat right here, and I have gotten some flour, just enough to cover it or whatever, to coat it. And in this flour I have put about a tablespoon of the Body Complete, because y'all know that has definitely become my most favorite spice, or whatever you want to call it, seasoning now. I've got the 1 tablespoon of the Body Complete. I've got about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt in here, and 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. And on my Instant Pot, I'm going to, y'all can't see it because I've got you up, but I'm going to put it on saute on, and it automatically comes up on 30 minutes. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of Crisco vegetable oil in the Instant Pot. And I'm going to go on and just put my minute steak in here in the flour. And I'm going to be searing it. And then I'm going to use my Instant Pot as a slow cooker for the first time. I've never used the Instant Pot for a slow cooker, but I'm going to try it and see how it does. And I'm hoping that it's going to cook these pretty quick. And I'm going to, while I've got the cube steak in the Instant Pot, in my Instant Pot gym, I'm going to fry some potatoes and some onions. It's just me here tonight, and I'm just going to see. I haven't used this Instant Pot gym as anything really to fry anything in. I've seared it in it, but I'm going to try doing my some fried potatoes and onions in it. All right, so I'm going to go on and put one of these in here. Of course, it's not hot enough yet, but, and of course, I'm going to knock the flour all over me. And I've got on a burgundy shirt, so of course it's going to get white all over my shirt. All right, so I'm going to, I'm probably going to have to move y'all over here some. Yeah, there you go. All right, so I'm going to go on and sear these and let them get really brown on both sides, and I will bring you back when it's 4 of these, so I'll bring you back when I get all 4 of them seared, and I'll show you what I'm going to do from there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so I've seared this cube steak. You can see it's seared pretty good, and what I'm going to do is I've got 2 cans of this great value French onion with beef stock. First, I'm going to go on and cut off the saute function on here, and then I'm going to go on and put that in here. I've got 2 cans of this, and I'm putting both cans in, and then I'm just going to put this cube steak back in here. All right. Make sure it's in there. Right, yep. All right, see, it's all covered by the onion soup, French onion soup. All right. Now let me get this mess up here. I'm going to show you what else I'm going to do. All right, now like I said, I'm going to use my slow cooker function on my Instant Pot. I've never done that before, and I'm going to bring y'all down. All right. Now, let me show you. When you use your slow cook function, you can't use the top that came with it. You have to use it's a glass top that you can buy to go on it. And see, it has the Instant Pot logo on it. And you just sit this on here. And there's that, and I'll have this listed. If you don't have this lid, I'll have it listed down below where you can purchase it on Amazon. All right, let me get you down further. All right, now, you can see the slow cook function is right here. All right, now I'm going to push slow cook. Now, do you see that it comes up on the medium? Well, it's low, normal, and high. I want this to cook on high, so I'm going to put this, well, now I'm going to have to cancel it. All right, now I'm going to do slow cook again, and I'm going to adjust it to high, and it's going to go on itself, and I don't think it's going to have to cook for 4 hours, but we'll see, or whatever. But now it's on the high. You can cook it on low, you can cook it on normal, or you can cook it on high. And you use your adjust button to get it to that. That's what you use. I have the Instant Pot Luxe. You can see right there. I have the Instant Pot Luxe. This is the 8-quart Instant Pot Luxe. I'm not sure what yours has, but mine does have the adjust function on there. And I just push the adjust to get it to go from low, I'll say medium to high. And I've got it on high. I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to check it after about 2 hours, and I will bring y'all back, and when this gets done, and in the meantime, I'm going to be frying up some potatoes in my Instant Pot gem here. I love this little thing. I'm so proud of it. This is my steal of the day. Got this at Walmart for 30 bucks on clearance. So this is the Instant Pot gem. This is programmable. It's steam, saute, stew, slow cooker high, slow cooker low, rice, roast, steam, bake, delay, start, cancel, keep warm. And then it's got the temperature and the time or whatever on it. I just love it. So anyway, I'm going to try to see what will happen about frying. I'm going to try to fry some potatoes and onions and that, and I will bring y'all back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've got this is definitely a what's for dinner video, by the way. In my Instant Pot over here, back here behind this, I've got my cube steak, minute steak, whatever you want to call it. And here I've got fried potatoes with onions. And this is just in my Instant Pot gem. I'm just trying to see if this is going to work, and I really do think that this Instant Pot gem is going to fry these potatoes up, and that is just worlds. I mean, that's just going to help me a lot, because this Instant Pot gem is really coming in handy. And so these are cooking. I'm going to put the lid back on these. I've got these on sear, saute, and I'm just letting them cook. And in the oven, I've got another pan of cornbread in my cast iron skillet, a skillet of cornbread. My grandma used to always say a pan of cornbread. So I've got my cast iron skillet with cornbread in it. I don't know what it is with me lately. I've really been wanting to cook, and it's kind of not like me, because over the summer or whatever, I really kind of wanted to eat out all the time, and now I don't even want to eat out. I want to fix my own meals, but I know it's because it's gonna start getting cold, and I need to fix all these fresh vegetables as much as I can before it gets cold, and we have to go into using frozen ones. So, but anyway, I'm gonna let these cook, keep on cooking, and I will bring you back when everything gets ready. Okay, y'all, I want you to look at my potatoes, my fried potatoes. Look how crispy they're gonna be. I took the top off of them. I'm gonna let them crisp up some now. My cube steak has still got an hour and 35 minutes left, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna get me some fried potatoes. I done had a piece of cornbread, and this cube steak, I'll eat it tomorrow for lunch or something, sometime tomorrow. But I really want some of these fried potatoes, and cooking them in this Instant Pot, Jim. Oh my gosh, I am so excited because it has just made them. Oh, it smells so good in here. I've got the onions in there and the potatoes, and they're going to be crispy. I love crispy fried potatoes. Well, you know, they're soft, but they've got a little bit of crisp on them, just like these or whatever right here. And I'm going to get some, and I'm going to put some ketchup on it and eat some cornbread. Eat some more cornbread because I've been eating a little piece. I love my cornbread. I just love it. All right, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, this is going to be the end of the video or whatever. I've got my fried potatoes. As you can see, let me see, where's... Oh. When I'm up. Wait. Oh, I want to show you one of the crunchy ones. And they're just falling apart. Alright. There's my fried potatoes. Fried in my Instant Pot jam. Here's my cornbread. And I like to, I know you have to taste this. It's cornbread and applesauce. My grandmother used to make cornbread and fried apples. And so when I was growing up, she would always put the fried apples on the cornbread. I don't have any fried apples, but I have applesauce. If you've never tried it before, try it. Make sure you've got butter on your cornbread and dip it in your applesauce. Or if you fry apples, take some cornbread and put some fried apples on your cornbread that's got butter on it. You're gonna love it. All right. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase at Amazon. And like I said, give this a try. If you've got an Instant Pot jam, try fixing fried potatoes in it. It really is amazing. All right. I will talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye.